Okay, and Jern's locking it down. Jern says, all right, no more answers from the chat. Good. And Mason makes says, 42 is the answer. Exactly. That is exactly right. Here we go, guys. Fingers crossed. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx the SolidWorks crash. Yep, I like that in the chat.
Yeah.
Here we go. This third and fourth place CAD battle, a battle to 1 point between Mehtab from Bangladesh using SolidWorks and Dom from the United States using SolidWorks, begins in 3, 2, 1, go! What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? The tolerance of this part is plus or minus 1 gram, and our runners are taking a screen capture. And if you're out there watching in the audience, you should take a screen capture as well, because both of our runners are already in their CAD system creating geometry. Let's flip over and see how they do it. Both of our runners starting on the top plane, both of our runners starting with a slot shape. Now we see that there's going to be a little bit of deviation. We see that Dom has moved on to create the additional geometry in the middle, where Mehtab is going to just fully define that sketch and extrude it, taking first blood, creating the first feature. So Mehtab now has created some solid geometry going back in and making that circle for that upper boss region, where we can see Dom has created all that geometry in one sketch. Now the problem is he's got a hole in that extrusion, but look at this. He's using contour selection to reuse that sketch and create a secondary extrusion. Very nice from Dom, very nice use of contour selection. Meanwhile, we see Mehtab has jumped right in and started creating the rib, that angled rib that's running up the side of the part. And I really like his approach to getting this done. He's just kind of embedding it right there in the middle of the model. Ooh, even mirroring it in the sketch.
Very fancy.
Making sure that it's embedded. Wow. Mehtab was really able to quickly get that rib in place and get it in place there on both sides. I love that. I love that approach.
Yeah.
And so we see here that Dom on the right now is moving through using what's called hole wizard and specifying the geometry for that hole, that kind of countersink that's up in the top of the model. Meanwhile, Mehtab has decided to continue working in the solid geometry. Now, this is definitely more along the lines of the approach that I take. I try to create a lot of my solid geometry first, like what Mehtab is doing, and then I go back and I add in my holes and my cuts at the end, where Dom is more taking an approach where he's just kind of blasting through, editing the sketch of the hole wizard. I really like that. That's something cool. That an experienced user knows that you can do that, knows that the hole wizard is really just a cut revolve and a point-driven sketch pattern. So he's just editing that sketch, jumping in there, creating a single line here for this rib. So you can see here that Dom on the right is creating that rib shape just with a single line. Now let's see if he ends up filling it in the way Mehtab did, or if he just rocks it the way it is there. And wow, these guys are both moving through this model very quickly. This is what we were hoping to see from our third and fourth place battle. Yeah. Two absolute wizards here. Either one of these guys or both of these guys easily could have been in the finals. They're both that good. But let's see what they end up doing here. So now we see that it looks like Mehtab has got the geometry for most of the solid geometry, and now he's going through and starting to create that geometry for the removal of material. And in this case, he's going to be sketching out that shape. Dom was able to create that shape going down through the middle using Hole Wizard and then modifying the sketch. Mehtab, on the other hand, is just sketching it himself from scratch. So really kind of coming together here at the end. These guys are both neck and neck. This is interesting.
Yeah, they're great. I'm sorry I'm not talking much. It's kind of mesmerizing watching them do it.
Yeah, I often think that at the finals, it's just kind of our chance to sit back and watch. I like to try to convey some of what's going on for our novice users. But wow, I think we might end up seeing an answer here coming into the chat. We're watching the chat. And it is Mehtab who comes into the chat with his answer, 899 grams. And guys, that is correct. Ooh. And we've got ourselves a third place finisher. Congratulations to Mehtab. Congratulations to Dom. We're just going to do one single point here for this third and fourth place warm up. And wow, that was a lot of fun to watch. And wow, congratulations. That was awesome.
That was cool.
Man. Wow. Great job there to Mehtab. Great job to Dom. And Dom was just right behind him. A couple of final clicks there, and Dom's going to be coming in with that answer as well. 899 grams is the correct answer for that one. And it's going to be Mehtab who takes it down and secures his place as the third place finisher in the 2025 Spring Open CAD vs. CAD speed modeling tournament. Well done to Mehtab. Well done to Dom. And thank you so much. Thank you so much to our runners here. Dom in the chat says, GG Mehtab. What a gentleman, saying GG Mehtab.
Yeah.
Well done. Well done. And woo, that was awesome. Dom says, thank you, Toby. It was a good tournament. Thank you, Dom. It's always a pleasure having you in here. And I can't wait to see you in here again. It's so awesome. You're such a great competitor in these tournaments.
Yeah.
And congratulations to Mehtab securing third place in this tournament. And Dom